The foundation of a successful project at Imaginovation begins with a thorough discovery phase. But what comes after the discovery? Let's journey through the key stages and deliverables of the discovery completion phase. Once our clients complete the kickoff meeting and 2 OOUX workshops, we use the findings from this discovery phase to draft a detailed project proposal. At the end of the discovery phase, clients receive essential deliverables like the product requirement document, object-oriented user experience documentation, and more. These form the backbone as we move into the design phase. The completion of the discovery phase equips us with the robust structure needed to craft the solution or product, ensuring our designs align with the client's vision. Transitioning smoothly, Imaginovation shares all project deliverables with clients for approval, ensuring everyone is aligned and ready for the next exciting phase, the project kickoff. During the project kickoff, our team brings ideas to life. By its conclusion, clients see wireframes and a fully interactive prototype, ready for the development phase. Each member plays a pivotal role, from the project manager overseeing the journey, UX/UI designer crafting aesthetics, to developers and business analysts ensuring the product meets business and technical requirements. At Imaginovation, our meticulous process from discovery to project kickoff ensures our clients' visions are realized with precision and passion. To embark on a collaborative project journey, reach out to us today.